Genspark new hub feature is insane. Genspark just dropped something wild. I'm talking about a feature that changes how you search forever. This thing builds entire knowledge hubs in seconds, and it's going to make Google look ancient. I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. Plus, I'll show you how to use it to crush your competition. So, let me tell you what just happened. Genspark launched something called Hubs because this is not just another AI search tool. This is something totally different. Let me explain what Hubs actually do. You know how when you search on Google, you get a list of links and then you have to click through like 10 different websites to get your answer. That takes forever. And half the time, the information is scattered everywhere. You're piecing together bits from different sources. It's slow, it's messy, it's annoying. Genspark said, forget all that. They built Hubs to solve this exact problem. Here's how it works. When you search for something on Genspark, it doesn't just give you links, it creates an entire knowledge hub. Think of it like a custom website built just for your search, all the information you need in one place, organized, clean, easy to read, and it happens in seconds. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Let me give you a real example. Say you search for something like best project management tools for small teams. On Google, you get a bunch of blog posts. You'd have to read through each one, compare features manually, write notes. It's a whole process. With Genspark Hubs, you get one complete page that shows you all the top tools, features compared side by side, pricing breakdowns, user reviews, everything organized perfectly. And you didn't have to do any of the work. The AI did it for you. Now, here's where it gets really crazy. These hubs are not static. You can interact with them. You can ask follow-up questions. The hub updates in real time based on what you ask. So if you want more detail on pricing, you ask. If you want to know which tool is best for a specific use case, you ask. The hub adapts to you. It's like having a research assistant who already did all the homework. And you just get to ask questions and get instant answers. This is huge for anyone doing research, whether you're building a business or trying to learn something new or making a big purchase decision. Hubs save you hours, maybe even days. Let me tell you why this matters so much. Information overload is real. We have access to more content than ever before, but finding good information is harder than it used to be because there's so much noise, so much spam, so many low-quality articles written just for SEO. Genspark cuts through all of that. It pulls from multiple sources, verifies the information, and presents it in a way that actually makes sense. No fluff, no filler, just value. Now let me show you some specific ways you can use this. First, competitive research. If you're in business, you need to know what your competitors are doing. You need to know their strategies, their pricing, their marketing. Usually this takes forever. You have to visit multiple websites, read through their content, check their social media, take notes on everything. With Genspark Hubs, you just search for your competitor or your industry. It builds a complete overview, shows you the key players, what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, where the gaps are, and you can use that information to destroy them. Not literally, but you know what I mean. And look, if you want to learn exactly how to use tools like this to scale your business and make more money, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. And this is where I show people how to leverage AI to get more customers and save hundreds of hours with automation. The link is in the description. Go check it out right now. Trust me, this is where the real magic happens. All right, let's keep going. Second, content research. If you're creating content, you need to know what's already out there. You need to know what questions people are asking, what angles have been covered, what's missing. Genspark Hubs do this automatically. They show you the landscape of any topic, the main subtopics, the common questions, the different perspectives. You can use this to create better content than anyone else because you're starting with a complete picture, not just guessing. Third, product research. Let's say you're buying something expensive, like a new laptop or software for business. You want to make the right choice. You don't want to waste money. But comparing products takes so much time. Different websites have different information. Some reviews are fake, some are biased. Genspark Hubs aggregate everything. Real user reviews, expert opinions, feature comparisons, pricing across different sellers, all in one place. You make better decisions faster. Fourth, learning new skills. If you're trying to learn something, you need good resources, but finding them is hard. There are thousands of courses, millions of blog posts, tons of YouTube videos. Where do you even start? Genspark Hubs can create a learning path for you. Search for the skill you want to learn. The hub shows you the best resources, organized by difficulty with explanations of what each resource covers. You get a custom curriculum without paying for one. Now, here's something else I need to tell you about. Genspark Hubs are not just for simple searches. They work for complex topics too, Let me give you an example. Say you want to understand Web3 technology. That's a huge topic. It includes blockchain, crypto, NFTs, DAOs, and more. On Google, you'd be overwhelmed. Thousands of articles, most of them assume you already know the basics, or they're too technical, or they're trying to sell you something. With Genspark, you get a hub that breaks it all down, starting with the basics, then building up to more advanced concepts with clear explanations, visual aids, links to dive deeper if you want. It's like having a textbook written just for you, and it took seconds to create, mate. Now, let me talk about the technology behind this, because it's actually fascinating. Genspark uses advanced AI models, but it's not just one model, it's multiple models working together. One model searches for relevant sources, another evaluates the quality of those sources, another extracts key information, another organizes it into a coherent structure, and another one handles your follow-up questions. It's a whole system, not just a chatbot with internet access. This is important because quality matters. A lot of AI search tools just scrape random websites. They don't verify anything. They mix good sources with bad sources. You get garbage results. Genspark is different. It prioritizes authoritative sources. It cross-references information. It flags when sources disagree. You get accurate information, not hallucinations, not made-up facts, real data from real sources. And here's another cool thing. You can share hubs. Let's say you create a hub about marketing strategies. You can send that hub to your team. They see the same organized information. They can ask their own questions. The hub updates for them too. Everyone's on the same page. No more sending 10 different links. No more long emails explaining everything. Just share the hub, done. This is perfect for teams, for educators, for anyone who needs to share knowledge. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this going to replace Google? That's a big question. And the honest answer is maybe not today. But this is the direction things are going. People don't want lists of links anymore. They want answers. They want information organized. They want to save time. Genspark gives them that. Google is still trying to figure out AI search. They have Gemini, but it's not at this level yet. Genspark is moving fast, and they're not the only ones. Perplexity is doing something similar. ChatGPT has search now too. The whole industry is shifting, and if you're smart, you're paying attention, because this affects how you create content, how you do SEO, how you market your business. Everything's changing. Let me tell you how this impacts SEO specifically, because that's my world. If AI tools are creating hubs that answer questions completely, what happens to websites? Do people even need to visit websites anymore? This is a real concern, and it's something I think about a lot. Here's my take. Websites will still matter, but only if they provide real value. If your content is just basic information, you're in trouble, because AI can aggregate that from multiple sources. Your site becomes invisible. But if you have unique insights, you're fine. If you have original research, you're fine. If you have expert opinions, you're fine, because AI needs to cite sources. Genspark hubs link back to the sources they use. So if you're creating high quality content, you'll get traffic, maybe even more traffic than before, because the AI is recommending you. But if you're writing generic fluff, you're done. The low effort content game is over. This is actually good news, because it rewards quality, it rewards expertise, it punishes spam, which is what we all wanted anyway. So if you're a content creator, here's what you need to do. Stop writing generic content. Stop trying to game the algorithm. Start creating real value. Share your actual experience. Share your unique perspective. Create original research. That's what will survive. That's what will thrive. All right. Now, let me tell you about two things that will help you even more. First, the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I help people scale their businesses with AI. You get access to the latest AI tools. You get automation workflows that save hundreds of hours. You get a community of people doing the same thing. It's the best place to learn how to use AI to make more money. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Second, the AI Money Lab. This is completely free. Inside, you get over 50 free AI tools. You get over 200 ChatGPT prompts for SEO. You get access to over 1,000 free automation workflows. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents. You'll see real case studies of people making thousands with AI. One member made over $10,000 using what they learned. You get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads for free using AI. Plus, you get a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven case studies, all free. The link is in the description. Go join right now.